Hello Sanibonani, beautiful people, welcome to another video. Today, or should I say tonight, because it's already to 8ish, I am in London and I am on my way to one of my favorite comedy clubs here in London. Sorry, there are trains on the other side, that's why it's noisy, and also there's water, so but I'm going to be performing tonight at the Big Belly, which is one of my favorite comedy clubs. It's here in South Bank, so if you're ever in London, make sure you check it out. And I'm just excited. It's a Monday, and that's one of the things I love about being in the city, the fact that I can perform on any day of the week, and it's a new material night, so I'm looking forward to trying out some new stuff. And yeah, let's go. That's the statue of Nelson Mandela. Hello. There it is. That looks better. It's here in South Bank, and this is what it says. Let me see. It's just too dark. It's too dark. But the show has started. I can hear people laughing. So I'm going in. I'm still early, even though the show has started, but I am not late. I'm supposed to be here at about 8:30, but I'm here at 7. So it ain't bad. It ain't bad. And yeah, let's go. Good evening, London. I'm from South Africa. Do we have South Africans in here tonight? Good. They're at work. Do we have Americans? Good. Let's talk about them. The thing is, if we did have Americans, I'd have to explain that South Africa is a country, not just a geographical location. Because Americans do tend to think that Africa is one small village where everyone speaks Nigerian. I know some of you might be thinking, oh, another one who's come to steal our jobs. Don't worry, your jobs are safe with me. I actually came here for the unemployment benefits. You guys live in the best country in the world. I knew I was gonna stay here forever within an hour of landing at the airport. Well, forever until immigration finds out where I live. But I do like your immigration. I like your immigration officers. You have one of the best immigration officers in the world. When I came through Heathrow Airport. They asked me, ma'am, what are you here for? I said, I'm here to charge my phone. They let me through. And also, you freedoms. Like, it was my first time learning that you can be born as something and legally choose to identify as something else. I think that's powerful. Although in my head I couldn't stop asking, where was that during apartheid? Because there would have been no black people in South Africa. We were all just going to identify as white people. Live a happy life. But I still do think it's a very good thing that you have. Because when I first came here, I didn't understand how expensive it was to live in London. So after 2 months of being here, I started identifying as the landlord. And we paid rent. Thank you so much. So guys, I've just finished now. I am walking back to the station. I've just finished. I had a lovely show. Thoroughly enjoyed myself. And yeah, let's go. Oh man, ngikiphe ilokhuzana ithikithi isitimela esikhona manje.
South Western Railway service to Weymouth. We'll be calling at Woking, Winchester, Southampton Airport Parkway, Southampton Central, Brockenhurst, Bournemouth, Branksome, Parkstone Pool, Hamworthy, Wareham, Morton, Dorchester South Upway and Weymouth with a scheduled arrival of 22 minutes past midnight. Safety information is displayed in all 5 coaches. Should you see or hear of anything suspicious, please do let myself know, the guard or another member of the railway team. Alternatively, you can text the British Transport Police on 61016. Currently in coach number 5, and we'll be walking throughout parts of this journey. If you do need my assistance, please
Thank
don't
you
hesitate.
so much for watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Subscription is free. Mahala.